Hey everyone, Mark here, hope you're all doing great. Today we're checking out an absolute beast of a TV. Seriously, this thing is so massive it could double as your living room wall, but with way better visuals. Yep, you guessed it. We're diving into the Sony 98-inch BRAVIA XR50. That's the K98XR50 for those keeping track, SQ2625581. This isn't just another TV, it's a whole experience. And with a price tag of $6,499.99, it definitely makes a statement. I know what you're probably thinking. Mark, that's a ton of TV and a ton of money. And honestly, you're totally right. But hang on, because this TV is definitely worth a closer look. In the next few minutes, we'll break down what makes this TV so special. From its jaw-dropping size and next-level mini LED tech, to all the smart features and whether it's really worth it. So, get comfy and join me as we explore the future of home entertainment together. Let's jump in. Okay, let's dive into what makes this TV so special. First things first, yeah, it's huge. We're talking 98 inches of pure wow factor. This screen doesn't just sit in your living room, it takes over. Every time you hit play, it feels like you're at a movie premiere. Imagine inviting friends over for movie night or catching the big game. Everyone's going to be seriously impressed, but hey, it's not just about the size. Sony packed this thing with some seriously cool tech. It uses mini LED backlighting, which basically means there are thousands of tiny LEDs working together in hundreds of zones. The result? Every scene looks super sharp and lifelike, so you get totally pulled in. Thanks to this tech, you get amazing contrast, deep blacks, and those eye-popping bright highlights. It's like HDR, but even more intense. Whether you're watching a dark thriller or a colorful nature show, the picture just pops. And speaking of HDR, this TV's got you covered with all the big formats. HDR10, HLG, Dolby Vision, you name it. So whatever you're watching, you're getting the best possible picture. That means your favorite streaming shows and 4K Blu-rays are going to look incredible. You'll see every detail, just like the creators wanted you to. And get this, Sony's XR processor is the brains behind it all. It's constantly working in the background, making sure everything you watch looks its absolute best. It analyzes every frame, sharpens up the details, and even upscales older stuff to look almost like 4K. So even your old favorites get a fresh new look. And don't worry, the sound is just as awesome. The acoustic multi-audio system makes sure the audio is just as immersive as the picture. The sound actually matches what's happening on screen. So whether it's a car zooming by or leaves rustling, it feels like you're right there in the action. Of course, it's loaded with smart features too. The Sony XR50 is super easy to use and makes finding your favorite stuff a breeze. It runs on Google TV, so you get thousands of apps, all your streaming services, and even Google Assistant for voice control. Just ask, and it'll find what you want to watch. And for the gamers out there, you're in for a treat. This TV can handle even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat. With HDMI 2.1, you get 4K gaming at 120 Hz, plus VRR and ALLM. Translation, super smooth gameplay and barely any lag, perfect for fast-paced action. So whether you love movies, games, or just want the best picture quality out there, this TV is built to be your ultimate entertainment hub. It's the total package, and it'll take your viewing experience to the next level. Alright, let's dive into what really makes this TV stand out. This isn't just another big screen, it's like bringing the whole movie theater experience right into your living room. First up, the picture quality is seriously impressive. The details are so sharp, the colors are super vibrant, and honestly, it just pulls you right into whatever you're watching. Everything just pops and feels so real. The mini LED backlighting is a total game changer. The local dimming is so precise. You get those deep, inky blacks and barely any blooming. The contrast is wild, making every scene look extra dynamic. It's almost like having an OLED, but with even brighter highlights. And the XR processor? It's like having a super smart assistant for your TV, making sure every frame looks its absolute best no matter what you're watching. Even your old DVDs get a glow up. The upscaling is so good you'll be surprised at how fresh and clear those classic movies look on this huge screen. It's like seeing them for the first time, all over again. And hey, it's not just about the visuals, the sound is awesome too. The built-in speakers give you rich, full audio that matches those stunning visuals perfectly. The acoustic multi-audio system really spreads the sound around so it feels like you're right in the middle of the action. Plus, dialogue is always super clear, no more cranking up the volume just to hear what people are saying. Google TV is another big win. It's quick, smooth, and super easy to use. Finding your favorite shows or movies is a breeze with its simple interface. And with Google Assistant built right in, you can just talk to your TV, change the channel, adjust the volume, or search for something new, all hands-free. It's so convenient. Gamers, you're going to love this. HDMI 2.1 support means you get 4K gaming at 120 Hz. It's super smooth, and the input lag is so low, you'll barely notice it. It really takes your gaming sessions to the next level. But honestly, beyond all the specs and features, this TV just has that wow factor. It's the kind of thing that makes you stop and stare. It's the perfect excuse to invite friends over and show it off. It's a real conversation starter, and the centerpiece of any get-together. In short, it's a statement piece that's just plain fun to use. With all its cutting-edge tech and sleek design, the Sony XR50 is a real standout in home entertainment. Alright, let's talk about the big thing on everyone's mind, the price. This TV comes in at $6,499.99. Yeah, it's a hefty price tag. It's definitely the kind of purchase that'll make you pause and think it over. It's not exactly an impulse buy, and honestly, it's not going to be the right fit for everyone. You'll want to really consider if it makes sense for you. And let's not forget about the size. 98 inches is huge. This isn't just a TV, it's a centerpiece for your room. You'll probably want a dedicated home theater space for something this big. It's not the kind of TV you just squeeze into a regular living room. So, before you get too excited, make sure to measure your space and think about how you'll actually get this TV into your house. The last thing you want is to realize it won't fit through your door. Now, about that mini LED backlighting, it's really impressive, but it's not flawless. The contrast and brightness are great, but there are still a few quirks. You might notice some blooming in certain scenes, especially when you're watching in a dark room. It can be a little distracting during those late-night movie marathons. It's not a total deal breaker, but if you're super picky about picture quality, it's something to keep in mind. And while Google TV is packed with features, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to the Android TV world. There's just so much to explore. The interface can get a little cluttered with all the apps and recommendations, so there's a bit of a learning curve. But hey, you'll get the hang of it after a little while. And finally, let's talk about sound. The audio is good, but honestly I was hoping for something a bit more impressive for a TV at this level. For a TV this big and pricey, a more powerful sound system, maybe with Dolby Atmos, would have been awesome. You might want to think about adding a separate sound system to really get the most out of your setup. Alright, so we've covered the highs, the lows, and of course the sheer size of this thing. But what actually makes this TV stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, you're not going to find another 98-inch TV with mini LED tech just anywhere. This thing is built to give you that true movie theater vibe right in your living room. And honestly, it nails it. Another big win, the XR processor. It's seriously one of the most impressive processors we've seen in a TV, and you can totally see the difference in the picture. Whether you're watching old shows or fast-paced sports, the XR processor just makes everything look smoother and sharper. Oh, and don't forget about Google TV. It's honestly one of the easiest and most enjoyable smart TV platforms to use. Plus, with Google Assistant built right in, finding something to watch is as easy as just asking. But you know what really sets this TV apart? It's just the whole experience. This is the kind of TV that's meant to be the heart of your home entertainment, and it totally lives up to that. Alright, let's get real. Is the massive 98-inch Sony BRAVIA XR50 actually worth that big price tag? Honestly, it all comes down to what you're after. If you want jaw-dropping picture quality and you're ready to splurge, or if you want a TV that's going to be the star of your living room and you've got the space and the budget for it, then yeah, this TV is definitely worth a look. It's not going to be for everyone, but if you're someone who wants the absolute best, the Sony XR50 really stands out from the crowd. It's the kind of TV that totally changes your home entertainment game, and trust me, it's an experience you won't forget anytime soon. But hey, I'd love to know what you all think. What's your take on the Sony 98-inch BRAVIA XR50? Is this your dream TV, or do you think it's just way too much TV for one room? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you think. And that's a wrap, friends. That's the massive 98-inch Sony BRAVIA XR50 in all its glory. It's huge, it's impressive, and honestly, it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. But if you're dreaming of the ultimate home theater setup, this TV definitely deserves a spot on your wish list. Want to dive deeper into the Sony XR50? Just hit the link in the description below for all the details. And hey, while you're down there, tap that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.